26.01% is the percentage of extremely backward castes, and OBCs right now stand at 27.12%. So Sanjeev Srivastava, two questions there. Is Mr. Nitish Kumar going to step aside first of all, because Kurmis are actually even lesser than the Yadavs. So either he should give it first to Tejaswi, or even better, give it to an extremely backward candidate.
Okay, so I really don't know. And we can all take a guess, but none of us will believe that for a minute that Nitish Kumar is going to resign. His hallmark in politics has been this 3% Kurmi vote plus some extremely backward caste votes which have rallied around him, sometimes thanks to Jitan Ram Manji, sometimes thanks to some Malla party in Bihar or other local leaders. So that between the Yadavs and minorities support to RJD and the upper caste, the Bhumia Rajput Brahmin support base of BJP plus other castes as well, that Nitish Kumar becomes the kingmaker, having the least number of votes. And we
correct. But sir, all of those people, if I may just quickly interject, the slogan for all of the people who are asking for caste census is, as Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself said, जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उसकी उतनी हिस्सेदारी. 14% जिनकी संख्या है उनकी ज्यादा हिस्सेदारी होनी चाहिए ना.
बिल्कुल.
फिर तो अन्य मार्ग में 14% को रहना चाहिए. 3% वाले नीतीश जी क्यों रह रहे हैं?
भाई उसके अंदर बड़ा सिंपल सा जवाब है. मैं कोई कांग्रेस प्रवक्ता नहीं हूं, लेकिन फिर भी मोटी बुद्धि की बात मेरी भी समझ में आती, कई को नहीं समझ में आती, कि जिसकी जितनी हिस्सेदारी तो बाद में तय होगी, पहले किसकी कितनी संख्या है ये तो तय कर लो. तो अभी तो वो इसी की मांग कर रहे हैं किसकी कितनी संख्या है. आप तो अगले कदम पे कूद रही हैं कि संख्या की बात तो ठीक है, जहां हमें मालूम पड़ेगी संख्या क्या है वहां तो हिस्सेदारी तय करो. भाई वेट, why is the issue is very simple. The BJP has developed a rainbow umbrella or whatever you call of the bigger Hindutva Hindu vote. The opposition sees the only way out of that Chakravyuh, if you may, to divide the Hindu into jatis. This is simple.